Alcohol is the third most common preventable cause of death in France, along with tobacco and pollution. Even if its consumption has decreased, it remains a major public health concern, particularly in France, which remains one of the most consuming countries. In this session, we will look at the measures that have been put in place in France and elsewhere to reduce the risks and discuss strategies that have proven to be effective. We will also see how to respond effectively to the actions of lobbies and the levers public health actors can activate. Join us at the Beffroi de Montrouge for a session dedicated to the reduction of the burden of alcohol and the challenges of public policies at the international level on Tuesday, the 20th of June at 2 p.m. Paris time. You can also follow this session online. Please register on www.rencontressantépubliquefrance.fr.